Hi guys, Steph here. Okay, let's show you this. What have we got for you here? You recognise it? Well, what we have for you is a gorgeous Swan self-filler fountain pen made by the company Mabie Todd Co Ltd, made in England. Now, the Swan pens, as some of you will know, came in many different models, different colours, different trim, etc, etc. I've actually shown you quite a few different kinds of Swans, so if you're interested in the Swan pens, have a look at the videos. There's lots of other Swan Mabie Todd pens that I've actually reviewed. Now, I don't actually believe I've actually reviewed this particular model, so I thought, let's give it a review. So, what we have for you, nice and simply, is a Swan self-filler, and the model number is the 6161. As you can see, comes in this lovely classic black colour. The size of it, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, around about 128 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's a nice 11 millimeters in diameter. The pen itself is what we term as a lever fill. You can see there it's got this lever here, and while we're on the barrel, let's turn it round slightly and let's show you the barrel imprint. So let's keep it nice and still. What we've got on the barrel imprint, it reads Swan self-filler, and then underneath it has Mabie Todd Co Ltd. Let's give you a little bit of a different angle, so hopefully it's nice and legible for you. So there we've got a lovely clear barrel imprint. And if I look over the camera, and there you go, to the bottom of the barrel there, or yeah, the bottom of the barrel, you can see it's got the model number 6161. Again, nice and clear. As you can see, it comes in what we term as gold filled trim. The lever is gold filled, and then if we take you up to the cap, let's show you the cap there. You can see to the bottom of the cap, it's got, on this particular model, it's got a quite wide cap band. Now when I say this particular model, I do believe that the same pen, the 6161s, came with a narrow cap band, but they came with a narrow one and a wide one, and this particular one, as you can see, has the wide cap band. The clip, self-explanatory. It's got this lovely, what we term as a ball clip, a Swan ball clip. To the very top there, you can see it's got this Swan logo to the very top there. Now if I show you the very top of the cap there, you can see again we've got a Swan logo to the very top of the cap there. Now this pen came to me in a little bit of a sorry state. Also, I've actually been waiting for a nib for this pen for quite a long period, and I got a nib for it, so I put it all together, restored it. And part of the restoration, what I like to do is apply enamel to the logo to the top of the cap, because originally they were actually white. So as you can see there, it's nice and white, the Swan logo to the top there. So let's unscrew the cap for you. Let's show you the pen in numerous different angles. As you can see, it's in beautiful condition. As I said, fully restored. We've got a new sack inside. Let's take you up to the section. You can see the very sort of recognizable Swan section. It's got this slight sort of step towards the nib, and if I turn it round slightly, where is it? There it is. you'll see also to the bottom of this section it's got the word Swan. Let's show you the nib again. Let's keep it nice and still for you, and it's got what we term as a Swan #1 nib. It's 14 carat. To the bottom there it has Mabie Todd Co Ltd, and you can't actually see it because it's actually inside the section, but to the very bottom of the nib it has made in England. So a lovely #1 Swan nib there. There's a sideways view for you. Let's show you the section underneath there. You can see everything is lovely and clean as it should be, and also you'll notice to the feed underneath there we've got the word Swan once again. So in lovely condition. The pen, it's not an oversized pen by any means. It's not a small pen either. With my large hands it's a nice comfortable pen to actually hold. It's very comfortable. So yes, I know you people like to see the pens writing, so let's do it. Let's bring on some ink. Okay, let's open the lever. I haven't got any nails, so a little bit difficult. There we go, I've got it. So dip the nib in the ink. So I'm just having a bit of difficulty trying to get the lever. There we go. There was only a little bit there, but I'm hoping that might be enough for a writing sample. So pop the ink to one side. Let's bring on our little pad and let's see how the pen writes. So what we have, a swan, sorry, it's not a leverless. I was going to put leverless. It's actually a swan self filler, and the model number is 6161. It was made by Mabie Todd Co Ltd, and it's writing very nicely indeed, and I would say it's writing with a fine line. Now some of these Swan pens are sort of renowned for having flexy nibs. This one doesn't. It's quite a sturdy nib. There's no variation, as you can see in the line there, but a lovely smooth writer, and as you can see there, writing with a lovely fine line. Lovely writer. So let's pop that to one side, pop the cap back on, and there we have it. An absolutely gorgeous example of a Swan self filler 6161 fountain pen in classic black with gold filled trim, and as we mentioned, this particular one has the wide cap band. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up as well. A lot of you people are forgetting. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and last but not least, down below, if you can, please support my work. But for now, I'll just say, oh, and before I just say it, don't forget, you people out there, let's keep safe. So, for now, I'll just say bye-bye for now.